feeling about the Rum Factory Road after the last 4 days has been a great experience of rums from Guadeloupe. In regards to Carrier Factory, who's done an amazing job in putting on the Rum Factory Road, I highly recommend actually coming to one of these events or coming to one of these holidays. So I recommend definitely doing something like this, where you actually touring around, learning about the rums, learning about the distilleries, and in the evening time you can chill and relax and have some great food as well. But yes, definitely recommend Carrier Factory. So, adon, ondo, soleil.